Unlock your dream shed, build it yourself. Building your own shed is more rewarding and cost-effective than buying a pre-built one. You get to customize it to your exact needs and space. Plus, the satisfaction of creating something with your own hands is unbeatable. Imagine having a dedicated space for your gardening tools, woodworking projects, or even a backyard office. With My Shed Plans, you'll have access to thousands of detailed plans, making the process simple and enjoyable. This is your ultimate resource for shed building. It's packed with over 12,000 shed plans, covering every style and size imaginable. No matter your skill level, you'll find a plan that's perfect for you. The plans are incredibly detailed, with step-by-step instructions, material lists, and clear diagrams. You'll also find helpful videos and expert tips to guide you through every stage of the building process. Finding the right plan is easy. These plans allow you to filter by size, style, and complexity. Consider your needs and the available space in your yard. Think about what you'll be using the shed for. A small storage shed requires a different plan than a large workshop. Don't be afraid to browse and explore the different options. Ready to transform your backyard? Click the link today and unlock access to thousands of shed plans. Start building the shed of your dreams and create the space you've always wanted. Don't wait any longer. Click the link in the description to get started. Browse our extensive collection of plans, choose your favorite, and begin your shed building adventure today. We can't wait to see what you create.